Hello, I'm Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, and today I'm here with a new video. But before I start, I request you in case if you guys need any service regarding Google Ads, Bing Ads, Facebook Ads, or SEO services, me and my team can help you. The details are in the description of this video on how you can get started with this. So, without wasting any time, let's get started on the question. So the question is how to be anytime top on Google Ads for call only ads. So that is very important question for all those who are running local businesses, especially such as plumber, doctor, engineer, restaurants, local restaurants. So this is a very important question. So in this video, I'm going to answer this question. So let's get started on this with me. So here I gathered an image so you guys have an idea on how is it different from a normal ad. In a call only ad, you can see the call over here, the call marked, you can directly dial up, and the call number is written as the first thing in the headline. So this is what we call a call only ad. There are few practices which you can follow to get your ad on that top on Google for call only ads. The first thing first is relevancy. I've been saying a lot on work on a quality score, and the best thing about quality score is relevancy. They look for relevant ad with the relevant landing page with relevant keyword is the best structure you can perform on. So rather targeting huge keywords, small set of keywords with more personalized ads, and a possible if possible for each or a themed keywords, you can have a different landing page. Once you are done with the relevancy part, your ad should be attractive, eye grabbing, because CTR is going to play a huge role over here. To get you in the top, CTR means click through rate. People are clicking on your ad or not, because if Google sees that people are not clicking on your ad, then eventually your ad will go down. So to make sure that your ad stays on the top, work on your CTR. CTR means click through rate. So how you can work on because on your CTR is by creating eye catchy ads. So in case if you need my team services, we are welcome. Just click on the link in the description to work with us. Apart from the relevancy, apart from the CDR, the next thing I gonna recommend you is to work on your bidding strategies. While creating a campaign, there are options available in a bidding strategies where there is an option of a manual CPC, maximize clicks. There is an option of bid impression share where your ad can be only shown on the top. Just select that and run it. So this will eventually make sure that your ad only shows on the top of the page, otherwise it is not being shown. So use few of these strategies to get your ad on the top. So I hope you like it, and in case you have any questions, you are more than welcome to write in the comments box, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.